Two big shots there.
Oh! He puts him out!
God!
Another highlight reel.
Robertson throwing nothing but power strikes. Experience, being able to be so composed.
They switch back southpaw. Jacoby will switch stances. Oh! Little stutter.
Make it, the knock it out the park shot, which is great. Oh! Yeah, listen, Roundtree's right in this fight.
Jacoby trying to march forward.
A nice knee, and he's the damage and the cut.
Top for Jacoby. Oh, big left.
Yeah, when he goes first, certainly with those flying knees, he causes a lot of problems. Here he is, deep on the single.
First takedown attempt for Fremd.
Oh,
next. Got caught up there.
No, yeah.
Forrest trying to squeeze him out.
He's trying to escape. Look at that.
Oh, that's it deep.
That is as deep as it gets.
And he's out.
Oh, he's out. He's out.